Hi Ray, I've got a I'm testing the media library, and I've also been adding a new plugin called Admin Columns Pro. So why I've added Admin Columns Pro is if I go to the media library, I'll just click this the other way for a moment. Okay, so it adds this file size variable, which is sortable. I've had a look in here, and there's an image here that I've mistakenly uploaded, which is, for whatever reason, way too big. These images are meant to be big, but these ones are meant to be about 500 kilobytes. So I wanted the ability to sort the media library by file size, so that the biggest images at the top going down, and WordPress does not have that functionality out of the box, so I needed to purchase a plugin which has enabled me to come up with this sortable file size. Now, if I click it, well, number one, there's no file sizes here. I don't know if there's meant to be, perhaps not. But if I click it, it's going to flick to the, well, there it is there. So it does actually give you your file size, so 0 bytes. And this warning is here for all of these images with 0 bytes. So we couldn't see them, but they're still there. So if I go to, the other problem is if I go to, let's say, 50. So moving down the list, just so we can get away from 0 bytes. It's not actually ordering it in by file size. So the plugin's meant to. So perhaps the Kraken and other customizations we've done are preventing it from listing the file size in chronological order. So that's something that I'd like to see implemented, and that error that's still there. That could be the reason why. Click it again, so that the error that was there. So if you could have a look at that, that would be great. If we could get rid of this error, if we could get this sorting by file size, so that I can find those images that are too big and re-optimize them, that would be great. All right, Ray, I'll leave you with it. Thank you. Cheers.